Well, let's also get in Aditya Arora, the founder and multi-asset research analyst from Adlitic. Aditya, the Nifty seems to be on a positive start, 170 points up and led by banks, financials and IT. How are you reading into the market?
Very good noon to you and to everyone. Look, the trend today is pretty encouraging and in line with what happened in the US market on Friday, wherein S&P 500 had made new 52-week high. So we are following the global trend. All is good. The music is good right now. But I would be pretty cautious around 25,500 where the option writers are pretty active, call writers are active. And the important thing to notice is that the kind of fall which we had seen from 26,400 in Nifty futures to 25,000. It was one of the swiftest fall and continuous back-to-back red candle which we have seen in last few weeks and few months. So around 25,500, I want to see how the buyers are reacting, how the sellers are reacting. And my bias is little bit on the downside. I think that could be a good time to take chips off the table, book profit, and wait for the lower price to get in the market. So that's my overall view on Nifty and Nifty overall.
And how's the banking index looking like? Also, HDFC Bank is perking up in trade. It's up around 2 odd percent. Any signs of reversal here?
The trend is positive right now. We have taken out yesterday's high, so that is positive. But again, over here, if there's a retracement around 52,500 to 53,500, that's an important Fibonacci level and important resistance for Bank Nifty. Over here, bulls could be little cautious and they may get opportunity at lower levels. If I had to talk about the lower levels in both the indices, then I'm expecting 49,000 to 50,000 in next 1 month on Bank Nifty and 24,000 on Nifty.
Okay, so those are the levels to watch out for as far as the banking index is concerned. But what are the individual recommendations today, Aditya?
So I like FMCG basket. I think FMCG basket has been a consistent performer. Even in times of volatility and uncertainty, this sector outperforms. So one candidate which I like is ITC. It's a buy at 496 and stop loss must be maintained at 485. Target is 505 to 515. That's the first one. And the second one is Hindustan Unilever. Again, this stock is coming out of a very long consolidation and underperformance. So I believe this is just the start of an outperforming period. So this is a buy at 2802.50. Stop loss is 2750 and target is 2850 to 2900.
Thank you so much for that. But since you're talking about FMCG, would this dip be a buying opportunity on Avenue Supermarts, Aditya? And what about BSC? That one is just flying away.
I think Avenue Supermart had a very super normal correction from 5,500 to almost 4,200. Yes, I would look to accumulate this counter, although I consider this as an underperformer given the recent fall. But yes, with the sector, as the outlook for the sector is positive, this can stabilize somewhere around 4,300, 4,400, and there the upside journey could start. And second one, BSC, it's a runaway rally. I think it's one of the climatic rally, parabolic rally, which we have seen. So I would be a little cautious over here because it's also riding the wave of NSE listing, which is just around the corner. Once the NSE issue is being listed, I think underperformance can creep in this counter. So these are the times to actually, book handsome profit.
Well, thank you, Aditya, for joining us and for giving us all those details.
There comes a time when your heart calls for you to arise. Plant your feet solid into the ground. Decide your own limits. And then break right through them. Become something more. It's my time to rise.
Hyundai Motor India Limited now proposes an initial public offering of its equity shares. The 100% book built offer is being offered at a price band of Rs 1,865 to Rs 1,960 per equity share of face value of Rs 10 each. The anchor investor offer period opens and closes on Monday, October 14th, 2024. Offer opens on Tuesday, October 15th, 2024. Offer closes on Thursday, October 17th, 2024. For risk involved and other details, please refer to the red herring prospectus, which is available on the website of the company, SEBI, BRLMs and the stock exchanges.